Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This is an educational video that we are going to talk about how to correctly use the RSI indicator and how it can help us determine specific market trends and shifts of those trends. As well as we will show an example here in the euro dollar and also explain that most of the default uses that people are aware online, it's actually a myth, and we are going to debunk this myth in this video. So first of all, this is the euro dollar 4 hours time frame chart. We can see we will talk about the cycle from the 1st of August to the 28th of August, and we are going to see how the RSI indicator helped us to determine this specific trend, and then how it helped us to see the shift of this trend from this reaction lower that we got from here. So first and foremost, if you are new here and you don't know what are these areas, these are called Fibonacci extension areas. I will not go through them in this video. We have made a video a while ago for the dollar yen, and we have explained a few things about these Fibonacci extension areas. And of course, we cover more details for them in our membership service, which you can find with the link in the description. With the premium plan, you will get more education as well through the live sessions that we are doing Monday to Thursday for the members. So euro dollar from the 1st of August until 28th of August. Let's see what the RSI was telling us and how we managed to determine this trend and then this shift. First of all, most of the industry believes when the RSI indicator is above 70, it's an overbought price and shift of trend. And also, if it's below 30, most of people believe that this is a bearish market and it should actually it's oversold, and then they are looking, for example, for shift of trends. So in this video, we will explain why this is irrelevant in this specific scenario. Also keep in mind that the RSI is best used for the bigger time frames like the daily and weekly, but many times when we have a trending market, we can use it to determine possible accumulation points and turning points. So here is the euro dollar after this pullback with a low on the 1st of August, and how the RSI helped us to determine the shift of trend. It was this. Down here we had what we call an accumulation stage. So the market was making lower lows in a corrective manner. And in the RSI, you have seen that it has generated what we call a channel, an accumulation channel. And then the market here broke to the upside. So our RSI channel, if I zoom in here, you will see it has made a breakout and it has reached this area. Then we have made a 3-swing pullback, and this was a Fibonacci extension area of support. Then the RSI here gave us another channel right here in this specific accumulation stage right here. We have made a break to the upside, another pullback, and another move to the upside. So then we have generated also this trend line from the 1st of August lows to this move higher here that you see. So we have a trend line which gives support at this area. So this is why here the euro has found support for another new high. However, using the RSI divergence, we can see a divergence with a new high. So lower high in the RSI and higher high in price. Then the confirmation was given on the market tried to make another move up. The RSI was weak, way below the trend line. So after it broke this support trend line right here with this move, this 4-hour move on the 28th of August, this was a confirmation that this cycle at least has finished, and thus we were expecting to get a reaction from this area. So this is how you can use the RSI indicator using this example with the euro dollar to determine the potential trend and shift of trend in the 4-hour cycles. However, keep in mind that you always need to combine those indicators with much deeper analysis and other indicators as well in order to achieve a higher success rate in terms of calling these specific swings of the market. So it's not that simple that the market will always give you those clear signs right here. And for that, of course, we can also help you out if you are either starting out or you have been trading for a while with no success. We can explain to you through our membership, through the live sessions, how the market reacts on specific areas and timings of the market and what you should pay attention to determine if something is a good trading opportunity or not. So this is what we wanted to explain for the RSI indicator in today's video. We will make another one with combination with the MACD indicator about this specific cycle in this turn. So expect that video in the next couple of days as well, so you can see how we can combine both of them in this specific scenario right here. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like so you can get more content from our site and help out more traders. We will see you probably on Saturday, on Sunday or Sunday with the weekly market forecast video for the next week ahead. Take care.